How does ADP ensure uninterrupted data processing operation? Come tour our Tier 4 Data Center 1 in Georgia. It's an unassuming building, draws little attention to itself, and yet security is thorough and tight. Your first stop? The Computer Data Center. This space has 40,000 square feet of raised flooring. Above you, overhead trays for 250,000 feet of fiber and copper cable. This area will house 6 mainframes, 12 mid-range computers, more than 600 servers, with nearly 100 terabytes of storage. And if we outgrow it, another 20,000 square feet of raised floor space is ready and waiting, with even another 20,000 square feet for future construction. Imagine all the equipment from multiple ADP data centers consolidated into one massive central space. Of course, all this processing power creates tremendous heat. So chilled air comes through the floor, while hot air is drawn through these vents. It flows into long halls of cooling units, which all lead to a special chiller room. There, heat is drawn off to be radiated through massive cooling towers. To make sure there is no interruption of this essential cooling, we keep spares. An entire spare chiller room, and a spare pair of cooling towers. The computer equipment, the cooling system, all require power. This building draws electricity simultaneously from 2 separate substations. If one fails, the second one instantly takes over for both of them. And if the entire regional power grid goes down, we have battery power to keep the entire data center running until backup generators start. Each of these 60 batteries weighs 500 pounds. If something goes wrong here, or if we need more time to start the backup generators, a second room of 60 batteries provides still more power. And what do we switch to while we're running on battery power? This 2-megawatt generator will keep the entire building running. And if this generator fails, there's a backup. And a backup for the backup. With 30,000 gallons of diesel fuel, enough to keep running for 9 days. 40,000 square feet of computer space, with room to grow. Redundant infrastructure. Redundant technology, a redundant network, all to ensure 99.995% availability. That's what we mean when we say Tier 4. And to make doubly sure our service continues without interruption, we needed another facility, connected by optical fiber, maintaining a mirrored duplicate set of this data. So we went to South Dakota and built a backup. Providing uninterrupted data processing operations, ADP's Tier 4 Data Center 1 in Georgia.